one door that I mustn't go through. I dream of it. What does it lead to?
You know perfectly well it leads to my laboratories. And I allow no one to see my experiments.
We didn't know what we were doing.
The wrong fight, because like I am, I'm more than just a cat. Meow. You're more annoying than taking a poop in the bathtub. My mouse destroy you. Meow. Hello, I'm Sparkle the cat, and when I'm not living a secret life as a gladiator, I'm at home listening to music by Shaun Shears, which I've purchased off iTunes. I suggest you do the same.
The audience takes their seats. The performer
And have a good day.
Meow. As he begins to perform, he asks everybody, "How are you doing?"